MongoDB return true if document exists. I want to return true if a user ID already exists and false otherwise from my collection. I have this function but it always returns true. How could I get this function to only return true if a user ID already exists?
Note, this answer is outdated. More recent versions of MongoDB can use the far more efficient method, db.collection.count documents. See the answer by Xavier Gahot for a better solution. Find doesn't return a Boolean value, it returns a cursor. To check if that cursor contains any documents, use the cursor's count method. If newid is not an array, you should not use the $in operator. You can simply do find user a.d. column newid.
Starting, Mongo 4.0.3, PyMongo 3.7.0, we can use count_documents. Used with the optional parameter limits, this provides a way to find if there is at least one matching occurrence. Limiting the number of matching occurrences makes the collection scan stop as soon as a match is found instead of going through the whole collection. Note that this can also be written as follows since one is interpreted as true in a Python condition. In earlier versions of Mongo/PyMongo, count could be used, deprecated and replaced by count_documents in Mongo 4.
If you're using Motor, find doesn't do any communication with the database, it merely creates and returns a motor cursor. This URL. Since the motor cursor is not none, Python considers it a true value, so your function returns true. If you want to know if at least one document exists that matches your query, try find_1. Notice you need a coroutine and yield to do I/O with Tornado. You could also use a callback. For more on callbacks and coroutines, see the Motor tutorial. This URL. If you're using PyMongo and not Motor, it's simpler. Final note, MongoDB's $in operator takes a list of values. Is newid a list? Perhaps you just want
one-liner solution in MongoDB query.
이 시원 대충 쓰나? 이 레컨시가 16.